Hello dear traders, this is Aftab. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to discuss gold US dollar for the upcoming week starting from tomorrow Monday 5th of August 2024 and the week ends on 9th of August Friday 2024. So tell me everyone, how is it going? I hope you must be doing very well and you must be making fantastic profits. If not, please let me know why. What's the problem? Why you are not able to make good profits in this beautiful and easy market? So do let me know about that in the comment section. And now today I want to discuss this gold US dollar and fantastic move it gave last week. In the last 2 weeks it gave a fantastic move to the buy side of the market. See, last week it was a fantastic buying opportunity of around 1088 pips, and I made a video on trend lines in which I discussed this trend line, in which I discussed this trend line, and in which I discussed there are some other trend lines. So make sure to check those videos out because obviously they will be helping you. So my friends, the weekly is fantastically closed bullish, and if you see, this is like, if I delete this, if you see, this was a clear sell pattern. See, these 2 days was a clear sell pattern. So since I'm going to explain gold US dollar for this upcoming week, so I will like to stay in these two zones, right? These two smaller zones, plus right here I want to show you that each and every level I discussed, market respected that, and I'm so much thankful that I have this strategy which tells me where are the expected strong levels. And if you see this 2477, 2488 for a double top, I mentioned it in the previous videos. So a double top is also created right here, and a lot of the stuff is going on that I'm going to discuss in today's video. And those there are traders who are holding sell positions from 2450, so 403 pips it's giving you. So I will be discussing that as well, and all of these setups I have discussed in the previous 5-6 episodes of the gold weekly forex forecast. So now one other thing and that I want to add right here is, and that is, I always try to run my analysis on fresh charts. Obviously the monthly time frame is clearly bullish, right? The last month that closed is bullish. So first of all, I have to find two levels that I can trade. There are two methods. The number one is the traditional one. Since market reversed from here several times, that's why I'm considering this as a support. And since market has got a rejection from the above level, I can mark that as a resistance. So whatever opportunity I'm going to find out in the upcoming week is going to be between these two levels, right? There is one thing that I want to tell you is that my strategy is not limited till here. My strategy is still active, and I want to draw your attention to this Fibonacci 61.8% retracement. And now the market seems to be doing this. So obviously this is the all-time highest level, the new high 2547. But there is one thing I want to tell you. At this particular moment, personally, I don't think so that I should look for buying opportunities near this resistance, because obviously even if my strategy is telling me that the market can go up there, I will say no. I am at the moment in the upcoming week, I am not going to take buying decisions from here, though I know that the market is going towards 2547.38. I know this, it's going. Whenever the Fibonacci gives me a certain level, I have to blindly trust on that ABCD pattern. So as I have identified these two levels, this good for a sell opportunity 2487, and another good for a sell opportunity, and that is this daily 2447.38. So now I have received lots of messages and you guys are telling me to include the 4-hour as well. So these weekly traders, obviously these bulls, since market became bullish all the way from right here, and we are currently trending up. If you see, this is a good bounce from the trend line. So that's why it is more ideal for me to look for sell up there and buys right here, and I'm going to explain it on the H4. This is of no use for me now. Maybe yes, there is one thing. If the next week daily candles 4, 5 or even Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 3 days I get a rejection from this level, then I will consider this as a double top. Now there is one for the double top, there is one concept, and that is the divergence, and for that I use the relative strength index with period 5 on each time frame. So I also have to see, since this is 3040 3070, I use 2080 to be extra more careful, my friend, right? Remember, in forex only those traders win who have strong belief in themselves and on their strategy. So yes, I can as a trader become seller, or maybe by here I mean my strategy can become a seller right here only if it spends 2 or 3 days right here and doesn't move even up even down. Then I can say that okay, now placing a stop loss of around risk of 350 pips can further give me around 1000 pips of profit. And for that double top, obviously the RSI, this leg of the RSI should not exceed the top of this one, then this will be a divergence as well. So divergence has already been spotted right on the daily time frame. Now if we move to the H4, there was a news, and the news was very negative on Friday for the dollar. So on such a very strong move, if the market cannot break this level, then the market is planning for alternative solution. What are those alternative solution? Maybe the market makers and the smart money thinks that since right here everyone was bullish, so obviously someone has to get out of the market. So market came down, took the stop losses of all of them, made a fresh Fibonacci 61.8% retracement, and the situation becomes something like this. See, something like this, and even this is a new level for us as well. So unless market is trading above during the upcoming week, above 2412.60, it will be bullish towards this H4 level. Where is that? This H4, towards this level in the upcoming week. So right here, with just 150 pips, most of the traders are holding buying positions, and if they stopped out, then the situation will be something else. Overall, on the daily time frame, no doubt, like the H4, bulls can make good profits. But on the H4, just like last week I discussed, even I gave you this opportunity as well. I discussed it. I said this is a very nice buying opportunity right here. So those who took it made good profits. In the daily forecast as well, I said it. See the profit of 500 pips. And then obviously this level was like in my mind, I was thinking to give it to the market, to the sell side, so it drops and then I buy more. But it gave me a breakout, so on the breakout I couldn't do anything. But on the retest, since I have made 500 pips, it's okay if I give back 100 or 150 pips back to the market. And the trade is, I'm very much thankful for that, 300 pips up, with the target up there. But the problems that I already discussed is that if this double top forms on the daily, still like see partial profits these bulls can take from the market, 673 pips. They can take it from the market, if not this full 1000 pips. So in the upcoming week, I have doubts that this market is now going to retest 2521.56. But as I have told you, other than this H4, I'm not going lower time frames because I will, as a trader, become confused there. So for that reason, I first of all wait for this double top. But still, even after the double top, still for the sells, my my SLs are going to be above 2521 in the upcoming week. So this H4 plan, right, and this is one concept, like you can at the same time become a long-term trader, you can become a H4 trader, you can become H1 trader. At H1 I don't like, honestly speaking, I really don't like H1 time frame for analysis. Now how about this sell then? If the H4 is telling us to buy from here and we did, and the trade is 300 pips up, how is it going to break it? Since the trend is up, that's why I'm and this place is not very bad, 2412. Imagine from 2412 till 2480. This is a very good margin. And on a weekly basis, if the trader doesn't make profits right here, I think that is a complete mistake. So see a very big rejection from this H1 followed by a confirmation, and I'm most likely going to leave the market near, because I'm not too greedy. I'm most likely leaving the market near 2452.07 on the H1. So for quite some time the market will slow down right here. Maybe if it corrects back to what price level? If it corrects to, yes, exactly, if it comes back down 2426, I become bull again. Fantastic opportunities these are, and a very fantastic market it is. And yes, the sellers who are these two daily sells, well, it's okay. Let me move to a fresh chart. See, like, it's okay. On the monthly, price action failed. Price action is just the trigger, right? See, right here it failed. There were wicks and it even closed near that wick. And this month it's trying. So as far as the proper plan is concerned, I should say it like this, that hey, see, it cannot close above this zone. Where is that? Right, it cannot close above this zone. Okay, great. So if it cannot close above this zone, let me zoom in the chart a little bit. There is a high probability that this next monthly candle can come down. And believe me, if the big sellers jumps into the market, then any plan that I discussed right here on the H4, maybe it will hit the SLs, right? And in Forex trading, SLs should be there, because if there is no stop loss, there is no business. Market is currently on this bullish wave, and we leave the market right here from this bullish trade opportunity. We just get around 400 pips from this one and we leave the market. But for the analysis part, since we also are willing to sell either from this or either from this, so both are good for the selling point. And the very long term, if we see, that can be too long term, but it can happen till October. And remember, 2540 and 2528, a very golden level for a sell, a golden level for a sell, a golden level for a buy. And there is one more thing. As this Fibonacci is now failed, let's see, there is a Fibonacci. Yes, it failed. On the lower time frames, the market has to re-enter into this zone once again. So now it becomes even more easy for all of us. My friends, it becomes even more easy. See, this is that decision point. If the market closes above, it is definitely continuing towards 2483. If it closes below, then the chances are it may retest this particular zone of support right here, 2348 and 2350. All of the levels that I'm discussing right here are profitable levels, but most of the traders then take bad trading decisions. Why? Because they are not sure about their decision. They are not sure. Believe me, my friends, there are a lot of, still there are in this industry, in this age of automation and robotic trading and algorithms and all of that, I see a very lack of interest in the traders. They try to get free signals, free setup, so that they can trade and they can lose money on that. Because obviously, if I give a setup to someone and he doesn't understand my strategy, how will the trader understand it? How? The trader can not understand the setup. So I have seen my friends, even I got a negative feedback as well, you can say, like in the form of, I made a video on the trend lines, nobody watches it, just 200 views it got. So then I think that people are more interested in these analysis and these ready-made stuff, right? Personally, I like those traders. I like those traders who are willing to learn new concepts. And obviously, I need internees. There are a lot of jobs related to it in the UAE, Dubai. I mean, there are firms who are hiring. 5 years ago, there were no prop firms. Why they give their real money to you? Because they first test you. Once you are good enough, then they give you the real money and tell you trade with it. Any profit they make, you get a small portion of it, which sometimes is more than enough for a trader. So my friends, these days traders seems to be showing less interest in the learning and more interest in the ready-made stuff. Hey Aftab, give us a setup. Hey Aftab, this, that. So I'm then not sure how those traders will get success in the forex market, because what I know is these hair. Yesterday I was shaving, so I saw that my beard is getting white, the color, and this is a symbol of getting older. So for how long I will be giving you these setups? Why don't you understand it yourself? Think about it, right? Think about it. Do learn these things. So this was gold, my friends. I know you are not listening to me. Most of the audience is not listening to me correctly. I say wait for the setups, and you guys love money so much that you are always running after money. Remember, if you run after money, you will always be running after money. Let the money run towards you, and how that will be possible? That will be possible if you understand and if you respect these levels. Remember, markets are being traded on the levels, not without the levels. Without understanding, never ever jumps in any sort of trading plan. So yes, this was the weekly forecast again for the gold. It seems bullish, and other than this H4 pattern, there is nothing else bullish, but the H4 and the daily are bullish, and the weekly is also closed bullish. The monthly is bullish as well. So it is also a very fertile land, I should say, fertile land for the big players, for the smart money, that they can kick all of the retail traders, and they have the powers. So as far as you go with your strategy, you are safe. And even if you are on my strategy, you are safe from these smart money concepts or those stuff. They can do no harm to you, I believe. The main thing is we should learn these strategies, we should learn these things. And if you cannot learn, then I will highly suggest, please stop trading. I don't want to see one other aspiring trader and his first trade is stuck in $1,000 off or $2,000 negative. I want to see people who have $5,000 plus, and they are thinking if they should close or they should not. And I can show you those people as well. These are those people. They are now thinking, shall we leave, since we have got this? They are thinking, shall we leave this position with 900 pips? I will say yes, why not? Leave it. Because these tiny levels belongs to short-term traders. And most of the traders are thinking to place sell trades. They are also not wrong. Stops there. And this sell trade no doubt can also give 700 or 800 pips, 850 pips of profit. But once, I personally like to trade once everything is confirmed. Once everything is confirmed, that's good. Because if I sell right now, what answer will I give to my own self? If, let's say, if this strategy speaks to me, and if I take a sell, the strategy will be telling me, don't you see this trend line that you are selling? So I will say, yes, I see it. I will try to close my trade near the trend line. Then the trend line will be happy. But if my take profit is right here, the trend line will get sad. It will get angry and it will say, this trend line will say, hey Aftab, your strategy says that always respect the trend line and you are not respecting me and putting your take profit right way below there. So are you expecting this break of trend on the basis of what? So those bases I will get only in the upcoming week. Till then, this market is bullish. And those who understand trading, even if the market is bullish or bearish, everyone makes profits. 23.87, this 77, 24.77 for a sell. Traders made almost 650, around 300 pips. From here 300 pips again, and from this 23.50, my old from the weekly forecast I discussed, still they made around 400 pips of profit. So if you are holding sell on the basis of my analysis, I think, well, this 400 pips, book it, and let's see what we get in the upcoming few days. So this is it. I hope you listen to me and you will give me a strong feedback. I need comments on this particular video, or else from the next week no gold forecast, because I read a lot to make these 99% winning trades for all of you. And if I don't get comments, I don't get questions, I see very less activity from the users on this video, I might stop them. Right? Take a lot of care of yourself, stay happy, take care of your kids, your wife, your family, your relatives, your people around you, your neighbors. Even if you are driving on the road, take care of others and get prayers from others and pray for others. So I pray for you, you pray for me. I see you next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.